We're gonna drive the Forester to work today, so I thought I would give you guys a little bit of cold start, a little walk around, show you the engine bay, some other stuff. So check it out. What's up, guys? Just figured I'd get you inside with a little ride along while I head over to the gym and start working on, you know, that fitness. So yeah, let's go. This car is ridiculous and loud, but it's amazing. It's such a fun car to drive. I mean, geez, just, gosh. But I do see an exhaust ticket in my future, unfortunately. What can you do, right? It's a little tough to drive. It's got a twin disc exit-y clutch. So it's not horrible, but it's definitely not super easy by any means. But I mean, geez, that's just cruising, no boost at all. And it's so loud, it's just wild. Absolutely insane. And this is on the pump gas tune right now, and it's just wild. So kind of a funny story. I'm a distributor for a lot of companies that I sell parts through, and a couple of companies have been giving me a hard time. Cobb, they don't want any parts dealers. They want full service tuners in my area. But then the other one, Grimmspeed, and I don't understand. I already sell Grimmspeed products. I use them, but what the hell, Grimmspeed? Take a look at this. Grimmspeed, 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 Grimmspeed. Oh, and Grimmspeed. What's up with that? Give me an account. I want to be direct dealer. Come on, Grimmspeed. Maybe I should get rid of all these Grimmspeed products. Maybe I should just get all Perrin stuff. Perrin, Mishimoto. Dealer direct for them.